Hello traders, welcome once again to the channel. So we are going to check our trades with support and resistance levels together with candlestick psychology on IQ option platform. So this is a euro-yen pair. We are having an uptrend. The major trend is an uptrend. We had a downtrend. Here we broke this previous lower high area. So the market might turn from that level. So you need to mark your previous lower high area. So understanding the market structure will help you to understand how the market is moving and increase your probability when you are trading. So here I understand the market will move more higher, but due to this low volume, I'll prefer to take a longer expiry period. I'll prefer taking a 5-minute expiry period because we are now consolidating, but eventually the market will break above the level. Though the volume in the market is very low. So these are very low volume market. So even when you check on Euro USD, same thing is happening. We are now ranging. We are having an uptrend here. Let's find a level of support and resistance that we can use. So we can use this level of support and resistance. So this will be our level of support and resistance, and when you check, it acted well previously. Then you are getting a good bias entry from the same level like previously, you can see. So you just need to wait for the closure of this candle for you to be sure how the market will move. So nothing is 100% sure in the financial market. You just need to increase your probability with your strategy. So let's wait for the closure of this candle. You can see it tried to break the level, but instead it got a rejection. So if you can break this level, you can try and find an opportunity, because now we'll have formed a lower high area. So we have not broken the level. So I'll just wait. Okay, we are almost breaking the level. So these are euro-yen pairs. I've told you we are moving up, but because of low volume, I decided to take a trade with 5-minute expiry period. Still on the same level, so we are inside the level, so I'll not take any trade. When you're inside your level of support and resistance, just avoid taking any trades. And always be patient. This strategy requires a lot of patience. And any trading strategy requires patience. So you can see what is happening in the market. Again, buyers are trying to enter from this level. So sellers have finally broken the level with a strong rejection from above. So this shows you something. if you can get an entry point on this level, it will be very good, because we are also near a whole number area. So we need a higher entry point or a good rejection. So just observe this live candle. That was not a good entry. I wanted an entry point on the level, but the market moved faster. So let's wait for the outcome, because this was the best entry point from this level. But because we have broken the area, we expect the market to move even lower. So let's wait and see what happens. So as you can observe keenly, we were in an uptrend. This is our last higher low area. So if you break the higher low area, we expect the market to change the direction. So the market structure will change if you break this previous higher low area. So we are now in a downtrend. So I'll do a put option again. And you need to observe something with this market. When you are moving down, it moves with quite a distance compared to when you move up. So we hope to close bearish in this trade. So we won that trade. So we are moving more down. That's why I've told you, when you observe the market or this chart, when the downtrend starts, it's a very strong downtrend. There are just few green candles in between. But in an uptrend, we have a very healthy uptrend. So you also need to observe the chart and understand the market structure and the candle volume and the volatility of the market. So that's the skill that you need to develop. If you are interested to know much about how I take these trades, you can join our mentorship program. Just need to contact me through the link in the description below, and I'll give you more details. So let's analyze the previous trades. So here we anticipated an uptrend after breaking this lower high area. So that was the logic behind this trade, and you can see my lower high area and entered after closing above after this candle closing above the level. So you can see this is a strong bullish candle. So I entered on the next candle, but with a long expiry period because of low market volume. So that was the logic behind that trade. This other trade, I did a put option because I was observing this level of support and resistance. After breaking below this previous higher low, I understood that the market structure has changed. Now we are in a downtrend. You can see I had put this downward trend line before. So this could have given you a hint that we are in a downtrend now. So we waited for this candle to close below the level, and you can see it closed with a rejection. So we entered on the next candle. I tried as much as possible to get a good entry, but I did not find the good entry because I wanted an entry point right on this level. But the market could not allow me to get that entry point because it moved very fast. But all in all, we won the trade. So that was the logic behind this level. Wait for the candle to close below the level of support and resistance, because That's our strategy. You can see we are still moving even more down. You can see very strong rejection. Despite this strong bullish candle, another rejection with the bearish candle. So this shows you that the trend is strongly on the downward side. So the next trade, I took a put option because from the previous trade you can see very strong rejection from a level of support and resistance. Again, we are getting the rejection from the same area of support and resistance. So this shows you that we are moving even more lower. So that's why I took that trade. So these are just the same trades. So I think today I've taken, I think there are 3 trades, and that's enough. Hope you understood the logic behind these trades. If you're interested in joining our Telegram channel, you can use the link in the description below. Stay safe and bye bye.